So I think one thing that's really important is to have a mindset shift around what organizing is, and have that shift go from something that you do for your community to something that you do with your community. Because organizing at its best is a communal activity. And so, Arena, as an organization, what we do is we train campaign staff and organizers, but we also try to build community among them while we're doing that training so that they have support when they're out in the field doing the work. Because as some other panelists have mentioned throughout the day, this is hard. Knocking doors is hard. Making phone calls is hard. Doing it in an environment where you're up against a lot of money and laws and individuals who are really sometimes attacking you personally can be a very draining thing. But when you are in it with other people and you feel like it's something that's being done collectively, we have found it helps not only bring people in the work, but sustain them in the work, cycle over cycle. And that's fundamentally important because we can't just be bringing people in the movement and having them last 3 or 6 months. There is knowledge and skills that you gain, and you become a better organizer when you are doing it year over year. So for us, that community building element is really critical.